Many years ago, in a small village, there lived a man named Makhilal. He owned a large dairy shop where he sold ghee, curd, milk and many other dairy products. Oh no, today where have all these flies come from? Go away, get lost. Oh no, before somebody sees it, let me remove it. Makhilal was a miserly person. Uncle Makhilal, please give me 2 kg of pure ghee. Yes, son. I'll get it for you right away. Oh, Makhilal uncle, there is a fly in this ghee. What? A fly? Let me see. The boy shows him the container. Wait, son. I'll give you another box immediately. Makhilal removes the fly from the same container and gives it back to the boy. Here you go, son. It's fine now. Yes, Uncle Makhilal. Thank you. I'll leave now. Just then, 2 soldiers from the royal palace arrive at the shop. Listen, Makhilal, we need 40 kg of ghee delivered to the palace before noon. Certainly, sir. Is there a feast at the palace today? Yes, the king has arranged a grand feast for all his ministers. Don't worry, your ghee will reach the palace on time. The soldiers leave. Makhilal goes inside and calls his servant. Sukhilal, we have to send 40 kg of ghee to the palace before noon. Hurry up and get to work. But master, we don't have enough milk to make so much ghee. Then mix water into all the milk we have. That should solve the problem. But master, that would be wrong. If the king finds out, he will surely punish us. Just do as I say or leave this place immediately. Okay, master. Sukhilal mixes water into the milk. But even then, there isn't enough to make 40 kgs of ghee. Master, even after adding water, we still don't have enough ghee. What should we do now? Fine. You go and look after the shop. I'll handle the rest. Okay, master. Why not I mix some vegetable oil into the ghee? Makhilal picks up a container of vegetable oil and mixes it into the ghee until the containers are full. Wonderful. My problem is solved. Now I must quickly deliver to the palace. Makhilal delivers the ghee to the palace and returns home. Soon, all the ministers arrive for the feast. Everyone enjoys the feast. The king himself takes care of each of the minister and everyone eat at their full. After the feast, the ministers thank the king and prepare to leave. The king gives each of them a box of sweets to take home. These sweets smell wonderful. Let me taste one. The king eats the sweet and the ministers also enjoy them at their homes. But soon after eating the sweets, the king falls ill. Next morning, Your Majesty, all the ministers have also fallen sick. What? How is that possible? It seems there was something wrong with the sweets. Bring the cook to me at once. Yes, Your Majesty. You foolish man! What kind of sweets did you prepare? Everyone who ate them has become sick. Your Majesty, I used all the ingredients properly. I don't know what went wrong. Your Majesty, I think the problem may have been with the ghee supplied by Makhilal. Are you sure the sickness was caused by that ghee? Tell me. Yes, Your Majesty. I could smell vegetable oil mixed in with the ghee. So Makhilal has been cheating people by selling adulterated products. Commander, send soldiers to watch his house carefully. Sure, Your Majesty. The soldiers reach Makhilal's house and secretly observe him. They see him mixing water into milk. Look at that! Makhilal has been cheating people by adulterating milk. Yes, we must catch him red-handed and take him to the king. Yes, come quickly. The soldiers enter the house and catch Makhilal in the act. So you mix water into milk and cheat people? Come with us to the palace. Please forgive me. Forgive me. Whatever you have to say it before the king. The soldiers bring Makhilal to the royal court. Your Majesty, we caught Makhilal red-handed while he was mixing water into milk. So you have been cheating innocent people all this time? Please forgive me, Your Majesty. I made a mistake. I promise I will never do it again. Commander, take him away and put him in prison. Please forgive me, Your Majesty. I will never repeat this mistake. But the king did not listen to Makhilal, and the commander sent him to prison.